In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in Asana. Getting permissions right keeps your projects organized, secure, and easy for your team to collaborate on. I'll walk you through how to open the sharing settings, find the right person, and choose the permission level that fits their role in the project. First, open the specific project you want to manage. At the top right of the project, click the Share button. This opens the project's sharing panel, where you control who has access and what they can do. If you don't see Share immediately, make sure you're viewing the project and not a task or a different page. The Share panel is your central place for access management. Next, look through the list of project members to identify the person you want to adjust. If they're already in the list, great, you're ready for the next part. If they aren't there, add them by typing their name or email into the invite field. Asana will suggest matches if your organization uses a directory. When you add them, they'll appear in the member list for this project. Keep your entries accurate and avoid sharing any sensitive information in the invite message. Adding them here simply brings them into this project. It doesn't change their access in other projects. Now choose the right permission level, click the drop-down arrow next to their name and pick from 3 roles. Project admin is the highest level. Admins can edit everything, including project settings and member access. This is ideal for project owners or coordinators who need to manage structure, workflows, and who can join. Editor is for core contributors. Editors can create, edit, and delete tasks, but they can't change project-wide settings. This keeps the project configuration stable while allowing people to move work forward, updating task details, marking progress, and adjusting assignees or subtasks. Commenter is best for stakeholders who need visibility without the ability to modify work. Commenters can view and comment on tasks but can't change titles, dates, or descriptions. This is perfect for reviewers, approvers, or anyone who just needs to stay informed and provide feedback. A few tips as you choose. Match permissions to responsibilities, default to the lowest level that still lets someone do their job, and remember, you can change a person's level at any time from the same share panel. Changes take effect immediately and apply only to this project, which helps you tailor access across different initiatives. Now that's it. With the share panel, the right person, and the appropriate role, project admin, editor, or commenter, you'll keep your Asana projects both secure and collaborative.